When you're putting the sections of the luffer together, you'd see that each one is marked. If I can get it to focus there, it's not really focusing, but I think you can see top written on that piece, which is self-explanatory. This is the top of the jib, and the end with the bracing in it, only one end has bracing, the other end doesn't. The end with the bracing and top written on it always faces back towards the crane. So the way the luffing jib goes together is you have this section which onto the head, then you have the eccentric boom extension, then you've got the root with the two arms, and then you've got a long extension which is large, then you've got a reducer which reduces down to the smaller section, and then you've got the head. And as I say, the end with the bracing in it will have top written on it, and you keep to the top all the time. The reducer, if you can see it here, maybe you can, I'm not sure. No, maybe you can't, but the reducer has top written on it as well. There's no need to write top on the root, and there's no need to write top on the eccentric extension because they're self-explanatory, and the adapter that goes onto the head of the crane does have top written on it. So you'll be able to figure it out, and if you can't, you can always contact. This is the order that the pendant lines run in. These two long ones connect to these two, which are permanently fitted to the head. So you have these two long ones, and then you come to what I call the wishbone. The two long ones connect to that, then you've got another long one connected out of the other side of the wishbone, and then you've got two short ones, and then you've got another medium length one which connects to this part of the root arms. When you're setting up the luffer, you need to lay it all down like this on the ground where you're going to set up the crane. Let out the boom sections as far as you think you might need them. With the two boom sections, first two boom sections out at half distance, it would be about 3 meters tall, 10 feet. With only one section out halfway, you will fit it into a normal 8-foot room, 2.4 meters. When you're setting up, after you've put the pendant lines together and connected them to the arms of the root, make sure that you pull the arms of the root back so that the ram is fully closed before you connect these two pendants to the luffing winch. Pull the luffing winch out to here, join it. Don't let those arms go forward. If you do, when you're raising the boom, the ram might pull apart, and then you're in trouble because you won't be able to move the luffing jib up and down.